Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see the list of documents required to change address in Aadhaar card. This is the latest list, updated list. Bank statement or passbook not older than 3 months. Ration card, voter ID, passport, driving license, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, landline, phone not older than 3 months. Insurance policy, whether it is life insurance or health insurance. Registered rent or lease agreements. Government photo ID card issued by PSUs or government. Credit card statement not older than 3 months. NREGS job card, pensioner card, freedom fighter card, Kisan passbook, CGHS or EGHS or ESIC card, certificate of address issued by MP, MLA, gazetted officer or Tahsildar, registered sale or lease or rent agreement, caste and domicile certificate with photo issued by state government, address certificate with photo issued by postmaster of a head post office. These are the documents which you should have the address which you want to change. That means the updated address should be present on this ID cards. Then only you can use this ID cards to change the address in Aadhaar card. So thank you for watching my video friends. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.